Okay, so rainy day activities, keeping the puppies entertained. I've just grabbed some regular household things. We do have a regular tunnel for the adults, but the puppy tunnel is actually a laundry hamper that I've cut the bottom and the lid off. So this is just the puppy tunnel, so it's a little smaller, and you know, if it dies, oh well. The little platform walk is just two little step stools and an old piece of shelf. And I have a footstool, and I have a baby gate, and I have a bunch of puppies on the other side of the door wanting to get in on the fun. But this is Tenzin's turn. Tenzin! Tunnel! Tunnel! Oh, they're good boy! There's little kibbles in there. Good boy! Tenzin! You gotta go around the other way, baby. Tenzin! Over here. Oh, hello! Hello! Good boy! Oh, the kibbles! Oh, yummy kibbles! Good boy, you remember the tunnel? Good dog. Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, hello. Hello. All right. Gotta do something else. Gotta get some balls up on here. Oh, here. Tenzin. Oh, good boy. So you just got one paw on, but that's okay, because we're just learning what this fun thing is. Oh, good boy. Can we get two paws? That's a very polite sit. Very polite. Come on, Tenzin. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Yes, you can. Come on, baby. Come on. I hate trying to train and do a video with one dog because everybody else wants to be in on it. Yes, they do. They do. Your sisters want to get in on this. They'll get their chance. They'll get their chance. Come on. Tenzin. See, this board is nice. Good boy! Yay! 2 paws. Very nice. Good dog. Good dog. Can we do it from this end? Come on. Tenzin. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Yay! Good dog. Good boy. Oh, it's a good boy, Tenzin. Yes, I know your sister. I know. She just wants to be in on this. Yeah, she does, because we have our fun training. Oh, good boy, Tenzin. That was very good. Yay! That was very good. Oh, yes, yes, she's a good boy. What about this, Tenzin? I need to load up on the treats in a second. Tenzin! Good boy! And see how he's doing it faster now that he's figured out that's what gets him the praise and the cookies. So yeah, this is our little fun puppy course. And we just make do with, well, I say it's a rainy day. It's a freezing rainy day. Therefore, dangerous to be outside. Good dog! Oh, good boy! Tenzin. Tenzin, there we go. So yeah, there are some days that we just can't go for the long walks. We get oh, good boy! Good boy! Look at that, you get many treats for that. Many treats. Good boy! Good boy, Tenzin. Yeah. Is it a good boy? Sit. There, and see, you just add some of the stuff that they already know into the mix. Down. Oh, yeah, I'll give your sisters their turn in a second. Down. Good boy. Good boy, Tenzin. Good boy. Yes. Okay, wait. Take it. Good dog. Good boy. Good boy. All right. We give your sisters a turn? Yeah, we give your sisters a turn. And then we can play again a little bit after supper, okay? That's a good boy.